Hello everyone, my name is Keith Powell and I'm the Customer Success Engineer here at Tapcart. Today I'll guide you through adding the basic bundling custom block to your app. First, head over to our GitHub repo and locate the basic bundling template. Once you locate it, open up another window to your Tapcart dashboard. Once you're in your Tapcart dashboard, go to App Studio and then Product Detail. I'm already on that page. And then click on the Custom Blocks tab and then launch the block editor. Once you have the editor open, go ahead and just delete all the code that you find in each of the files. Now come back to the GitHub repo and start copying over the index, styles, and JS code. And you can find them in their respective files here. So let's start off with the index HTML. And bring that over. Since I can't find the CSS file here, we can locate the appropriate file over here in the left-hand navigation. Just make sure that you're under the basic bundling folder here. So click in Style CSS, Command A, or I think Control A on Windows, and then copy. There we are. And then finally our JS. So it'll be scripts.js. Awesome. Next, you'll need to customize specific data points to match your Shopify store. To figure out which data points to customize, head over to the README doc that's located in the template folder. So in this case, make sure again we're under basic bundling, then click into the README doc here. Once you locate the README doc, then go to point number 3 to make those code edits. In this case, we have quite a few code edits to make, and I'll just walk you through them right now. So on line 2 should be edited to display an expected discount code. Now this is also when it's line 2 in our HTML code. So we'll go ahead and navigate to HTML and then to line 2. In this case, what we're going to want to edit is anything in white here. So bundle with socks and get 25% off. You're most likely going to change this whole copy here, but you definitely want to target the percentage, and you can change this to whatever you want. And as you can see, that changes here in the code editor as well. We'll set it back to 25%. Next, on line 12, should be edited to display your product information. So in this case, you can see that there's 2 bundle items that we are creating here. And in our HTML markup, you can kind of see where those products are. So in this case, line 12 and 13 will need to be adjusted to reflect your different product information. And then also on 24 and 25. So these values will need to be changed to reflect the actual product. Lines 3 and 28 in your JavaScript code. So let's navigate to JavaScript, and lines 3 through 28, it's a big code block, so I will walk you through what needs to be changed here. Lines 7 and 8, they need to reflect the variant and product IDs of your first product. So if you look here, we have your variant ID and the actual ID, and then the product ID and the ID here. These will need to reflect the first product that's in your lineup here. Lines 18 and 19 are the variant and product IDs of the second product. So these will need to be changed. Also, if you have a discount code that's supposed to be automatically applied when the user clicks add to cart, the correct discount key or the name of the discount code and then the value of the discount code will need to be updated here as well for each of the products. Oh, I almost forgot. If you go back to the HTML, the pictures for each of these will need to be changed as well. So on line 8, this is the URL code or the URL endpoint for this picture. This whole thing will need to be changed. And then for the second product, you can find the URL here on line 20. But yeah, give your block a name and then give it a save. Awesome. You can close out of that, come back to your custom block, and then you can add this onto your PDP, into your cart, or onto the home screen, wherever you would like to put the custom block. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, or let your account manager know if you have any questions, and we will be happy to help out. Thank you.